Hey, I'm Dr. Jen, better known as DocJenFit, and we are going to go into hamstring stretches. First, I want you to test your hamstring because do you even need to continue to stretch it out? A lot of people think or feel like they have tight hamstrings when really they just need to strengthen them because it might already be flexible enough. So we're going to test it first just to make sure. And then I'm going to show you the proper way to actually use a strap when you're stretching your hamstrings, because I see some awful things happening where you're not actually getting an effective hamstring stretch, but you're actually just stretching your nerve. So let's stop doing that and let's start doing it the right way. Comment below, let me know what you feel when you're doing a hamstring stretch. Let me know what your hamstrings are doing to you right now so that we understand what we need more of together. So first thing first, I'm gonna have you lie on your back and you place your arms out to the side so that they're just not in the way at all. Now, no flexing the feet, just relax the feet all the way. And I just want you to, with a straight leg, raise your leg up as high as it'll go. Now, clearly mine goes pretty far. I do not need to be stretching my hamstrings, right? But a lot of times the goal is to get it to 90 degrees. That's it. If your hamstring length is at 90 degrees, unless you're an acrobat trying to do splits, you don't need more than that range of motion, because even when we do deadlifts or we're picking things up off the floor, we need 90-degree angle to get all the way down and come back up. Lifting things off the floor, we're gonna bend the knees a little bit. So a functional range within the body is 90 degrees. If you are here, then maybe you want to shut off this video and go strengthen those hamstrings if they're feeling really tight, because you probably don't need to stretch them anymore. So let me know, comment below, where is your range of motion? Maybe it's pretty far. And you could do this in front of a mirror too to kind of get a better idea of what you're seeing as well, if it's really hard to tell when you're kind of laying down. Next thing, you're going to take a strap. You can also use a towel. You can use a sweater, you could use whatever. I have one of the really famous physical therapy straps that you would see if you're in an office. And what I typically see is someone puts it on the base or the top of their shoe usually, and then they pull it really hard to their face. And then if you do this and you're feeling the stretch into your calf, you're actually just putting tension on the nerve, and especially if you're not feeling anything in the hamstring. So we don't really want to be tensioning the nerve as we do a stretch. So the strap should actually go more toward the mid-foot to the heel so that you can relax the foot, and then you can slowly bend in with the elbows here. And if you want to feel even more of a hamstring stretch, you can unlock that knee just a tiny bit and then give it a little pull, and you should feel all that whole hamstring from the base of where it attaches all the way to the knee, okay? An effective stretch, you really want to relax the breath, breathe and hold. And the more that we get into long exhales as you're stretching, the more that you're going to tell that nervous system it can calm down. It doesn't have to feel so tight in the muscles, and it allows the body to release that tension. Because really, when we're stretching, when we're foam rolling, we're not releasing tissue, we're releasing tension. And so the more that we use the breath as we're stretching, the better and more effective that you're going to create that stretch. If you like this, if you're feeling something different, make sure to like the video, comment below and let me know what you feel in your body. And don't forget, subscribe so that you don't miss out on future education and tips into your body.